Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Little Sunshine. So today we are going to unbox a very interesting board game, Othello. We will also learn how to play it and I will also share my views on it. And at the end of the video, I will also share some tricks with you. So keep watching till the end. Let's get started. Disc has two sides of color. One is white and the other is black. A player takes 32 discs and keeps it on their side. To get started, both the players will keep two discs of their own color in the middle of the board, diagonally to each other, like this. A move consists of outflanking your opponent's disc and then flipping the outflanked disc to your own color. I will show you. And black always moves first. So it's black's turn first. So they have placed their black disc in the middle, like this. So this white disc is outflanked by the black color player's disc, and then this white disc will flip to the black color. So I'm going to place these discs on the board. So now the white player can outflank 3 black discs like this. So I have put the white disc here and then they can be outflanked and turned into white. So this is horizontally, vertically and diagonally. So you can use these places to outflank your opponent's disc. So now it is diagonally, before I showed vertically, and after that horizontally. So now here it is the white player's turn. So they can put it here and outline this disc, which will be their target, and flip it to their color. Now it is the black player's turn. So now when they keep it here, they will outline this disc over here and they will also outline this disc. As you can see, when they were white, it can go vertically also, and here is also a black disc. So I told you it can go diagonally also. So the black player has an advantage. So they can flip 2 discs at one turn. So now let's play. White player, this one. So now here, as I told you, and any opponent can outflank any number of discs. So now here, the black player can outflank 2 discs and then we'll flip them to black. Here. So as you can see, now white player can there and also has an advantage, like this disc was flipped, right? It was like black. So they can flip this disc also to white, and they can also flip this black disc to white. So now again here, if it's the white player's turn, now they can outflank 4 black discs. When we keep it here, there's a white disc, we can border it with the other white disc, and then the white player will be able to outflank 4 black discs and then flip it to white. Like this. So the object of the game is to have the highest number of your own colored discs on the board at the end of the game. You know guys that this is a really interesting game. Why? Because you can change the game at any point of time. Suppose the black player is really happy that, oh, I really have so many discs, my color discs on the board. So as you can see, there are so many white discs on the board. So the white player can be really happy that, oh my god, I have so many white colored discs on the board. And that can change suddenly by the black player. They can overtake it and target it, outflank it. They can do anything, and then black discs can be more on the board. So this kind of thrill makes the game really and very interesting. So I can open this like here. Like I told you before, now see, the black player is overtaking the white player. So now again the black player can outflank 4 white discs. Guys, do you remember? This is the place where we outflanked black and got 4 white discs. But now it has changed again. So as you can see now, more black discs are there on the board. Like I told you, you can change the game anytime you want. So guys, now it is trick time. Guys, did you know that if you get to keep your own color discs on the 4 corners of the board, they will keep you on a stronger position and you will have more chances of winning. Trick number 1. Try to get one of your color discs on the corners. That will give you an advantage of horizontal, like this, diagonal, and vertical, like this. So horizontally, so then you can flip these over here. Then you have longer chips here. Then you can flip this, these discs, and you can flip these discs. As you can see, horizontally, diagonally, and vertically. Trick number 2. So the trick number 1 was to occupy the corners. Now trick number 2 is try to occupy the sides of the corners, these 2 points, right? This. So like you can see, we have occupied the corner for the white disc. So then, this. हाँ मतलब ये चेंज कर. We will change this disc. So now black has advantage of 4 white discs. So as you can see, there are more black discs here, but there is a white disc which has occupied the corner. Now this white disc, only one can change the whole game. Like diagonally, black, black and black. If I put one white disc here, then this whole will change to white. See that? That's why. Corners will keep you in a stronger position and you will have more chances of winning. So as you can see, the white player only has one disc, which we use for here. As you can see, now it is the white player's turn, but they don't have any disc to use. So now they can borrow it from the black player, their opponent. So white player has borrowed it. So we can put it here and now can use it. And now we can also diagonally do it. Black player's turn. White player again will borrow one. Lastly, now the black player also has the last disc. So to end the game, we'll count the discs of each player. So guys, I have counted all the discs. So white player has 36 discs and the black player has only 26. So the white player is the winner. So the white player won the game with 10 points.